Hi, my name is Kevin Scott. I'm with Knight, Alexander, and Scott, and I'm going to talk to you about the Knight Wall Securement system. The system we have here is the MFI-D series. It's dynamic series because it has all the holes on the bracket that allows you to not have to use shims in the back if the wall is out of plumb. So this bracket comes from 2 inches long to 6 inches long, and then kind of anywhere in between there, and ships complete as you see it. All these red components are where it's thermally isolated. So each bracket will show up just like this. You take your hex screw or your tech screw, take your tech screw, put it through the washer. That's all you really have to do when you're putting these brackets on the wall, and screw them into place just like that. These brackets can be mounted vertically or horizontally so that the rail goes like that, or it can go like that. Actually, it could even do that. So you don't need to change the bracket at all. Bracket stays in place. The rail, this is the S rail. S rail gets mounted that way or that way. There are screws here and here for just that purpose. And it's all held in place with one 1-inch tech screw. Put this on, figure out which hole you want to do, put the screw in place, and you're done. When it's all finished up, you end up with something like this. This black here would be the exterior gyp board with an air barrier on it. And typically, installers put the brackets on first, bracket, put the mineral wool insulation in the center, and all that kind of is a friction fit. And then you come back and you put your S rail on. These S rails ship in 10-foot lengths, but they're easy to cut if you need to modify the length at all. These brackets can be spaced every other stud or every stud. Knight Wall will dictate which configuration is going to be best for the cladding. But once you put the brackets on horizontally, every stud or every other stud, and then vertically, the spacing will go every 16 inches, every 24 inches. I'm doing a project right now where it's every 30 inches vertically, and I believe they can go up even higher. But Knight Wall does all that for you. So it's pre-engineered for just about any cladding. They can hang about 25 pounds per square foot, that's pretty much everything. Granite slabs, concrete, fiber cement, terracotta, any type of porcelain tile, real wood, everything pretty much would fall into the mix there with that kind of a weight capacity. So this is what it looks like, and it's called the Knight Wall Securement System, MFI-D system, and I'm Kevin Scott with Knight, Alexander, and Scott. Thank you.